guys, this is Hawk here. I just want to let you know the videos I make are completely fake. This is just a green screen. Psych! This is completely real. You see me? I don't play around in no wilderness. I was born in the wilderness, man. No, I wasn't. I was not born in the wilderness. I grew up in the wilderness. No, I didn't grow up in the wilderness. I mean, like, sometimes when we were out of wood, I would go get some wood in the wilderness. Sometimes. It's not a lot of times, just sometimes. So, in a way, I grew up in the wilderness. That's why I don't need no water. I don't need no food. All I need is them legs. Them legs, boy. Them legs.